We're going to take a look at the steps required to create a simple SOLIDWORKS part drawing. Let's start off by opening the sprinkler assembly model, which you will find located under the Recent Documents tab in the online trial. You can access this dialog by clicking the Home button or by tapping R. You can also use the search bar to help you find the file. The part we're going to create a drawing of is called Lock Lever. Select this from either the Feature Manager or from the viewport and open it within its own window. Part files have a number of properties associated to them, which can automatically populate the 2D drawing. Here we will add a material and weight properties. Right-click on the material option in the Feature Manager and choose 1060 alloy. Then choose the File Properties option and pick Custom Properties. Here we're going to add in a material and weight in the property name fields, and the corresponding material and mass options in the value text expression field. We can then click OK. To create the drawing, choose the Make Drawing from Part option from the File menu. At this stage, it may ask you to define your unit systems. If it does, choose millimeters, grams, seconds, so mmgs, and ANSI for the standard. If this has already been chosen, don't worry about it for now, you just may find that certain items look slightly different on your drawing to mine. But all the tools will still work in exactly the same way. We'll use the A3 landscape template. On the right-hand side, you should now see the View Palette tab. From here, drag and drop the front view. Once placed, if you move your cursor up, you will be able to place the top view with a left click. And then move your cursor to the right to place the right view. Isometric views can be created by projecting outwards at an angle from the initially placed front view. To break the 45-degree alignment, hold Ctrl before clicking to place. All views are currently set to the sheet scale, and this can be seen in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Select this and choose User Defined. The properties that we populate within the part file have been brought through to the drawing, and this can be seen in the title block. If any of this information changes within the part, it will automatically update within the 2D drawing. To capture some additional detail about the drawing, we're going to place another two views, a detail and a section. Select Detail View from the Drawing tab and sketch a circle over the area of interest. Once sketched, a secondary view will appear on the cursor. This can then be positioned on the sheet. The detail name and scale is shown underneath the view. Next, let's select Section View, again from the Drawing tab. Using the Vertical Line option, we can snap to the middle of the cylinder, ensuring central section line positioning. Green tick on the pop-up dialog, and then place the view. Dimensions are added in a 2D drawing in the same way as they are within the sketch environment, by using the Smart Dimension tool. This single tool allows linear, radial, diameter, and angle dimensions all to be added. Choose Smart Dimension from the Annotations tab. Simply click the edge of interest and then click again to place the dimension. We'll add a few different dimensions across a number of views. The tolerance and precision of each dimension can be controlled by selecting the dimension and changing the options in the Property Manager on the left-hand side. Finally, make a change to the 3D model and see how it updates any dimensions, views, and properties in the 2D drawing. This is just a small example of some of the functionality available within SOLIDWORKS 2D drawings, but if you would like any more information, make sure to get in touch and we'll be happy to help.